Hi, today I am doing another review of all finished pages in my Flower Year book by Leila Duly, and so far I finished 54 pages, and this is one of my favorite books. I started it in January of the last year, and I try to color one or two pages from each month, so I don't color winter or fall pages during summer, for example, and I try to color as close to reference pictures as possible. And mostly I used here Prismacolor pencils, but occasionally I also add Faber-Castell Pitt pens or fine liners for tiny details and for additional texture. And I also purchased some green pencils from Faber-Castell Polychromos for realistic leaves. This is one of my favorite spreads of pictures in this book, and another one is also from spring, and this is my second favorite picture. It's fun to watch the pictures which I did last year looks quite different from pictures which I finished recently. Now I try to use more of white gel pen or acrylic paint to cover black lines and to mix colors for flowers in more experienced way. For me, it's very easy and relaxing to color this book, first because I love nature and also because all I have to do is to look at reference pictures and to select matching colors. I prefer to do simple pale background with soft pastels, and in this way book looks to me more like botanical atlas. My favorite months are from fall and winter because sometimes I feel that all my spring and summer pages look quite identical with pink and blue flowers. And so I'm very eager to go to the fall pages with berries, with apples, with dry leaves. But still, I really enjoy each and every of pictures in this book, and I highly recommend it if you love to color flowers, if you are interested in botanical illustration. I never tried to use watercolors or other water-based mediums in this book, but I think that if you are careful with water, it will be quite possible. But I try to stick to just one medium because I love when all my pages are done in one style and with the same medium. When I'll complete all pages, I think that I will return to pages which I did in the beginning, and I will add contrasts and also background where I didn't made it first, so the difference between pictures won't be so visible. This November page is also one of my favorites. And I promised myself that my reward for finishing this book will be Floribunda book, of course, because I don't know how I will stand not to color Leila Duly pictures. Thank you for watching with me my progress so far, and again I highly recommend this book to everyone. Happy August coloring to all of you. Bye!